It's just low. It's just low. It's just low. I really love Sablak. Do you know Sablak? I really love Sablak. Do you know Sablak? No. Sablak is also like a soup filled with steamed fish. Yeah, there's a lot of them.
They're saying Sablak.
Sablak, yeah! Sablak. Sablak, yeah! Sablak.
Say maganda ako while putting your backhand on your chin.
What's that?
Like this. So, say maganda ako.
Maganda ako.
Yeah. Say to them.
Maganda ako. Maganda ako.
What does that mean? I'm beautiful.
Maganda ako. Maganda ako. What about we're beautiful?
Maganda kami. Like, maganda kami.
Maganda kami.
Yeah.
Honestly, I do cook. But only for instant noodle.
And I hope also fried eggs.
Fried eggs, sometimes I burn that. I burn all of it.
It's okay, I'm gonna teach you how.
But boiled egg, yeah, I can do that.
Oh,
Boiled
yeah,
egg,
yeah.
yeah. Everything with steaming, like, you know,
Oh.
I don't make things.
Soup. I'm having a hard time boiling eggs. You know, to reach the perfect boiling point for the egg. Because usually I just let the water boiling and then put the eggs there. And until the egg cracks. Then
So it's going to be like an overcooked one, right? What's that in the Philippines? Jusa turuan mo siya makabali.
like beautiful teacher how to speak Tagalog.
Oh.
Okay.
You wanna learn?
What do you want to say in Tagalog?
From the basic one,
Yeah.
ako cinta kamu.
What does
I love you.
Mahal kita.
Oh, I knew that. Mahal kita. Yeah. Because in Indonesia, we often say it as aku cinta kamu.
Ako cinta kamu.
I love you. But I also know that there are so many words between the Philippines and
Oh, that
Indonesia.
I heard that. Yeah, I heard that's true. I just forget the words, but I know like
Mata. Eyes. Pintu. Door.
okay.
What else?
Bintana.
What's that? What's that? No, I don't know about that. What's that?
No, I was hoping you know because pinto is door, the bintana is window.
No. It's not working like that. No.
I thought we were gonna just say all the names of
Every
parts of the
single
house.
Mahal is so expensive.
Yes,
Mahal is expensive. But mahal kita is I love you.
I love you. Yeah. Lechon. Lechon is a whole pork or roasted pork.
Oh.
Yeah. You don't eat that.
No, but I think we have one. But we call it as babi guli. Like the whole pork, yeah. You grill it like at one time, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we call it babi guli. Babi guli.
Thank you so much, everyone. Bye.
Stay tuned.
Yep.